Hi kids. Okay, so I have another read aloud for you today. And I had to run up to the library to get this book because I knew that we were learning about shapes. And this will go right along with that. It's called Perfect Square, written by Michael Hall. And what is this? Yeah, a smiley face. Okay, let's find out about the perfect square. It was a perfect square. It had 4 matching corners and 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And it was perfectly happy. But on Monday, the square was cut into pieces and poked full of holes. It wasn't perfectly square anymore. So it made itself into a fountain that babbled and giggled and clapped. What a good idea. What's on the fountain? Yeah, little birdies. On Tuesday, the square was torn into scraps. So it made itself into a garden. What a good idea for a craft. On Wednesday, the square was shredded into strips. What do you think it's going to be? I thought grass, but I was wrong. It made itself into a park. Oh, look, those are like hills. What's that? Yeah, a little kite at the park. On Thursday, the square was shattered. So it made itself into a bridge. What a good idea. On Friday, the square was snipped into ribbons. What do you think they'll do with these papers? So it made itself into a river. That is a good idea because these look like little waves. On Saturday, the square was crumpled and ripped and wrinkled. So it made itself into a mountain. Mountains do look like crumpled. They have like ridges and shadows. That is a good idea. What a good idea for an art project. On Saturday, the square waited to see what was next. It waited and waited. Nothing happened. Its 4 equal sides were confining. Its 4 matching corners were rigid and cramped. Oh, what do you think the square feels? Yeah, maybe a little bit sad. Maybe it's feeling tired of being a regular square. So it made itself into a window. That looked out on a mountain, that gave birth to a river, that was crossed by a bridge, that led to a park, that was home to a garden, that had at its center a fountain. That babbled and giggled and clapped. Boop, boop, boop. The end. There is so many things we can do with shapes and paper. So many good ideas for art projects in here. So maybe one day, if you're feeling up to it, you can try to make one of these things in this book. All right, kids, I hope you enjoyed the perfect square.